All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to permanently change your units. So you can see I have my rulers out here. If you don't have those out, by the way, they're just right here. You can show and hide rulers right here. But you right-click here and you can change your units, but that won't do it permanently. And when you make a new document, also, you're going to see this units here that you can choose, but that's going to be for that document. If you want Illustrator overall to just pick one and stay with it, you're going to go to settings and units, and then we'll change it here. And now if you wanted pixels, that's where you do. You hit OK. Now, one thing here that could be messing something up is if you don't quit Illustrator, or if Illustrator crashes before you quit it, the Illustrator preferences or settings don't save. So best off is to do that and quit Illustrator, open it back up, and now you should have your permanent settings until, not permanent, but until you want to go back and change it again. So if you change it in settings, this is where it's going to stay. And like I said, the settings save after you quit Illustrator, typically. So that's that. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.